free kick. Throw it back. You know how to flip it? That's how it is, right there. Sideline. Roll it down the sideline. Oh!
Touchdown! Celebration dance, EJ, for the camera.
Oh, they did.
Don't worry. Get him back.
Now it's Booba's turn.
Yeah, you can't drive such a big car. That was scary. Whoa!
Oh, touchdown. Celebration dance? A celebration dance? You have a celebration dance?
Here, come on.
No? Okay.
Come on, give me the ball. We got about 3 more series.
Pass is crying because you're not receiving the ball. Put this up in the ball right here.
It's EJ again. Oh. Go EJ! Oh, he missed. Another celebration dance? EJ, another celebration dance?
He's getting it.
Another dance? Another dance?
Put it on. Put it on right. Look, it's coming off.
Here comes Boo Boo again.
Keep it in front of you. Keep it in front of you. Keep it in front of you.
Touchdown.
Hustle up. Hustle up. Hold on. Cass is going to be a little pussy. Or a little wiener.
Go, little wiener. No. You do not know how to drive. I drive better than you.
Block. Out of it. Ready? Touchdown going to Armani this time. Or you. Ready? Set.
Gigi, get over here.
Go.
Stick it in. What are you doing, Dad?
Touchdown, Monty. What's your wish? Make a wish. Okay, wait.